Hello guys, this is Dr. Sheila, and I may or may not have left the garden hose going all night. Whoa. Oh my goodness. It's not the first time. I suspect it will not be the last. Is that funny, little one? Oh, for goodness sakes. Oh, well, we needed rain. But my well, I bet is really getting very low. The water was not coming out as strong. Wow. Pools of water. Wow. Hey, little one. Hi there. Like I said, I may or may not. Oh my goodness, look out there. That's all water. Oh, I need to look at that. Let's see how far that went. Jeez. Well, the pasture got a good soaking. And it's standing. You know how much water had to come here for this to be standing in my pasture? Oh my goodness. Hey, did you see me do it? You can't prove I did it. If you can't prove it, I didn't do it.